How is it going, guys? My name is Metodi, and in this video we will take a look at two riveting tools. But first, do you rivet your models? Tell me what you think about riveting in the comment section below. And there will be no more voiceover in the video, so bear with me. Doing something and talking to the camera at the same time is not that easy. The first one you are probably familiar with. This is the trumpeter riveting tool, and I used it quite a lot. The second one I bought several weeks ago and I haven't used it yet on a model, so it is a new experience for me. So without further ado, let's see the trumpeter tool. As you can probably see, I have modified this so I can see where actually the wheel goes, because with the plastic where it is supposed to be, it blocks your view almost entirely. But I am used to this tool, and frankly I cannot say a bad word about it. Although after the years of usage and maybe a design flaw, as you can see here, the interior of the wheel is a hexagon, and this just ate through the plastic shaft that goes through the entire assembly and holds the wheel in place. So now not only it is probably gonna break at some point, but it wobbles when you know it's not really in place. Probably nothing lasts forever, so I decided to purchase a new tool, and I came across this. This is RB Tools. It's called Rivet R, and it comes in two different size wheels. I ordered the smaller size because it's more versatile, and I think it's a very nice tool. To make a comparison test, I have a MiG 17 fuselage here. That's 1/72 scale, and I will just do a couple of quick rivet lines. So let's see which one or how they differ in using. From the first impressions, it is quite obvious that this tool allows you better visibility when following your rivet line, but the handle, which you have to buy separately or just use another handle as I did, this is a handle from a hobby knife. This type of handle, the circular type, is not does not allow you to guide the tool precisely, and I will show you why. Because when you use the trumpeter tool with this type of flat handle, it doesn't move in your hands, it's just stuck there. so you can go ahead and make your rivet lines. But the downside of this tool is, although I have this modification, it still blocks a lot of the visibility to your model. The rivets that Arbitools Riveter produces are finer and perhaps they are not going to be to the taste of large-scale modelers, but anyways, people who do large-scale models prefer rivet decals or some other products. And again, this is a tool that I'm used to using, and this is not, so I suppose that I will get the hang of it. Another thing that I really like about my new tool is that the impressions that it leaves are almost circular, whereas the trumpeter tool leaves somewhat triangular impressions, which sometimes you can see. And making curved lines is much easier, and that's mainly due to the size, maybe, but also due to the fact that you can see where your tool is leaving impression. Also, the small size that you can choose, because with the trumpeter tool you cannot choose a smaller size wheel. Your tool can reach much further in such a joint sections, and as you can see, I now hit this part, but my rivets have almost reached the end of the panel line. Something that must be taken care of when you use this tool is the fact that this nut protrudes quite a lot, and if you are close like this, you need to switch this part to the other side so it doesn't bump into any details. Overall, I'm happy with how this tool works. As I said, I haven't used it on a model yet, but I'm pretty sure that I will get used to it and it will do the job it's made for. This tool comes with 4 step size wheels and a holder, and then you have to buy or just use a handle. The nut and the bolt also come with the kit. I hope that you find this video informative and useful, and as always, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you can get notified every time I post something new. Thanks for watching, and until next time, best regards and happy modeling.